miracle, for a blessing, for a financial transformation, a new job, a soulmate, where there's one thing that you have to give up if you want your prayers to be answered by the universal law of attraction. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let me show you how to make your prayers get answered faster. When most people pray, they pray with a sense of helplessness that they feel about not having the thing that they want into their life. They go to their prayer saying, "Please God, I don't want to help me with money," or "Please, I can't meet the right guy, I can't meet the right." They're going into the experience and their entire consciousness is penetrated with the reality of the absence of what they want. So they bring the energy, the vibration, and the consciousness of helplessness to the universal intelligence, and that universal intelligence can't answer and transform our lives because it doesn't speak language in the way that we're accustomed to. The language that it speaks is vibration and frequency, yet we're coming to it with words. Prayer isn't about words. Prayer is about the feeling and vibration that you actually bring to that experience. So the question is, can you feel the gratitude for your prayer already being answered? This is a huge and fundamental shift. One of them is entertaining the reality that what you want is already here and you're expressing appreciation for that, whereas the other one is, this thing's not here, this thing's not coming, and I'm helpless. So the number one thing that you must give up if you want your prayers to be answered, if you want to ask and receive, you have to give up the feeling of helplessness and any aspect of your own consciousness that's entertaining the impossibility of what it is that you want. Because we live in a world of energy. The universe responds to your frequency. When you shift your frequency in alignment with the reality that you want, then you get paired with that reality. It's called the law of attraction. It's like when you throw a little pebble out onto a totally flat lake, what happens? When you throw the pebble out, it creates a ripple effect from the energy disturbance of you tossing the pebble on the flat lake, and it creates a broadcast out of those ripples. Similarly, we're in this huge field of infinite possibilities, and our every prayer is sending out a disturbance into the energy field. We're casting a vibration out into the energy field, much in the same way you throw the pebble in it and then it creates the ripples. We live in an infinite world that's all based off of energy and vibration. And you are emitting an energy and vibration that's signaling out like the ripples. And in return, the universal law of attraction mirrors back to us the level of consciousness that we have. So most people pray on the level of consciousness of not having what they want. This is a participatory universe, meaning that the universe works with you. It responds to the vibration and the consciousness that you're in. And so when you pray today, forget about words. Forget about speaking at the universe, at God. Forget about speaking at whatever. And see if you can actually get into the energy of feeling grateful that it's already been fulfilled. Like, go into it in this energy of you actually thanking the universe that your prayer has been answered to attract more money, or your soulmate, or your new job opportunity. Go into it in the energy of how you would be if it had already happened and you were thanking God or the universe for that very thing in your life in that moment. That's a huge fundamental shift in consciousness, because everything is really two things: the presence of what you want or the absence of what you want. You have to come to a place in your life where you're no longer dwelling in the consciousness of lack, of have not, That's why it says in the Bible, to the person that has more will be given, and to even the person that has not, even what they have is going to be taken away from them. Because the consciousness that you're in is going to dictate what you attract. So in your prayer today, move into a state of appreciation to the universe, to God, to whatever it is that's your higher power, and give it thanks that whatever you want is already realized. It's already been achieved, and you're in the energy of saying thank you. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Make sure you download my free success hypnosis down below. It's right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com. Every time we have a thought, like we go into prayer, we do all these things, anytime you just have a general thought in the day, you fire nerve and brain cells, and what happens is over time, your neurocircuitry gets wired based off of the way that you're socially conditioned by outside influences. Guess what? Psychologists say 70% of our thoughts are negative and redundant, and they're wired into our brain, so our brain is habitually accustomed to operate in that way. So if you want to change your life, you have to change the way that your brain is conditioned to work. And so we created a neuroprogrammer that's designed to help you rewire your brain so it's easy to attract what you want, because your brain and your mind is in harmony with what you want. And it's down below, thesecondmind.com, right there down below. The Second Mind, you can demo it for free. So check out thesecondmind.com down below. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification right over there. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. So even if you already subscribed, double check that you hit the bell notification. Have a beautiful day. And remember, everything is two things: what you want or the absence of it. And you can bring the helplessness of not having what you want into your prayer, or you can bring the reality of it already being fulfilled. Either one is going to dictate your reality.